Okay, here's a fun thing. Let's create a little graphics in Cap. And let's start with the Java version. We'll show the same thing in the JavaScript version, and then we'll finish off with the Linux version. So we'll very quickly just create a little array, 30 numbers. Let's subtract 15 from that. That gives us 0 in the middle. And create an outer product. So we take that array, combine that with a sum of the same array multiplied by the imaginary number I. Okay. We have minus 15 in the middle, in the corner there. We have 0 somewhere in the middle, and 14 on the right. Okay. Let's take the magnitude of this. That's just the length of the vector represented by each complex number, like that. And let us take this entire thing and we divide that by 20. Seems like a good number. And as we can see here now, we get 1 and a little bit over 1 here. We get 0 in the middle. So this should give us a sort of a circular shape. So if we draw that, we get that circular shape. Very low resolution though. So let's change that. Let's make it I don't know, 500. So 250 and 250 here, and we get this. All right. Okay. Let's do the same in the JavaScript version. So I'm opening the JavaScript version of the interpreter here. We can simply copy and paste this value here, and we paste it, and that gives us the same. Very nice in the browser. Now the same thing can actually be done in the text-based client. So let's open a terminal here. We make this a little bit bigger, and there, and let's simply take this. Oops, sorry. Copy here. Paste that. Will you look at that? Nice, cool, huh? So this is the 1980s technology of VT330 in action. So if you have a terminal that can support Sixel graphics, then this is an option available to you. That's it, and I hope you liked it.